How you guys doing? Welcome to Just Lube and Go again. We're doing a mobile service for one of our customers. Today we're working on a 2019 Jeep Renegade. We're using Amsoil 0W20. Today, the book says she takes 4.5 quarts, So we're gonna go ahead and drain her up. We already let her run and get her warmed up, so we're gonna go ahead and drain it up. All right guys, so we got a 13 millimeter socket here. We're gonna go ahead and loosen up this drain bolt. Ooh. Put a little grip on it. Start getting it. All right, there she go. Got it drained up. We're gonna clean our drain plug as usual. We're gonna check for any metal shavings on the drain plug. Most drain plugs have metallic ends at the back, so we're gonna go ahead and clean it up. There's no shavings. This is 2019. It only has about 20,000 plus miles on it. So we're just gonna go ahead and do a quick oil change, drain and feel, and we'll be back when she's done draining. Then we're gonna take the filter off. It's a little special project with this one because I left my tool at home, but I think I can still be able to get it, so stand by. All right guys, I was able to start cracking it with my hand. I thought it was gonna be a little bit harder than that, but turn it by hand. We're gonna let it start draining. Oil filters don't have to be that tight. They just need to be hand tight. They just need to be hand tight, just enough to get it done. So as you can see, it's got that drain that's coming down right here. It's coming down right now. So like I said, in one of my previous video, I go ahead and kind of turn as much as I can without creating a mess. And because we're at somebody's house, we don't want to make a mess. That's the big thing about when you're doing mobile services. Always get you one of these little pans right here, and then get you one of these mats, so that way if oil comes down, they don't get on the person's driveway or their street. You can just clean it up with your mat and call it a day. Alrighty. All right guys, it's time to prep our filter to reduce the dry starts. We're gonna go ahead and fill it up with our Amsoil 0W20. Get here, get on the outside. On the outside of it, make sure we lube up the O-ring here. Show you in a second. Always want to lube up that O-ring, lube up the filter, just to reduce the dry start. It definitely is going to reduce engine damage along the way. So if you're doing it yourself, prep your filter. Most filters can be prepped. Different filters are more difficult, but we'll explain that in another video. Alrighty. That's why it's important to keep a drain bucket under where you're draining your oil, just so that way the remainder that's draining doesn't get on your floor. So we're gonna get, as you see, we cleaned up where our oil filter goes, and we're gonna go ahead and throw it back on. All right, so we're gonna fill up Amsoil 0W20 4.5 quarts for now, and we're gonna run it just to make sure the level is good. Give it a chance to cycle through the oil filter. That way we could check for any leaks or anything like that. So we're checking for leaks. We went ahead and started it up. We're checking for any leaks over the filter. We're checking for any leaks by the drain plug. We are all good to go. We're gonna drop her down to a level surface, still let her run. Still keep that oil pan down there, just to make sure we don't have no drips when we make it level, all right? All right, guys, so we had to put 5.5 quarts in here total. We're gonna check our dipstick, and we're gonna make sure that the level is accurate and it's right before we get up out of here. All right, guys, as you can see, thank you, car, for helping me out. It's at the top of that dipstick. See this line right here? You see where it's at? That's full, baby. And we're gonna let our customer check out. We're gonna let him have a great day. And we're gonna see him in the next 5,000 miles. Thank you for tuning in to Just Lube and Go. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we definitely will have more videos using our Amsoil. Y'all have yourself a great day. Be blessed. And don't forget, keep your car lubed up. And if you need us to lube you up and go, give us a call if you're in the Durham area.